Welcome! Let's play and learn together with vegetables.
This is a tomato. Tomatoes are red and juicy. This is a cucumber. Cucumbers are green and fresh. This is a carrot. Carrots are orange and crunchy. This is lettuce. Lettuce is leafy and green.
This is a potato. Potatoes can be mashed, baked, or fried.
This is an eggplant. Eggplants are purple and healthy. This is a lemon. It's yellow and really sour.
This is a pea pod. Peas are green and round. This is an onion. Onions have layers and make food yummy.
This is broccoli. Broccoli is a healthy green vegetable.
This is zucchini. Zucchini is a green vegetable that's good for you. This is cauliflower. Cauliflower is white and looks like a cloud. This is garlic. Garlic is made of little pieces called cloves. It makes food tasty and yummy. This is pepper. There's sweet bell pepper, red, yellow, and green. And this is hot chili pepper. This is corn. It has tiny yellow pieces called kernels.